Always waiting for this guy to get done. Always. Right, let's get this video started. See if you can keep up.
Y'all ready to turn it up tonight? If you really wanna fly, your hands in the air, let the music get you high.
Shit happens. That's what this video is going to be about. Everything was said and done. I had a video ready for today, but unfortunately that video will not see the daylight of YouTube. I'm very sorry about that. Everything was prepared. It was 1 week of work and everything is now, well, it will be deleted. There's nothing we can do about that now. We can just laugh and laugh at it and learn from that mistake and think about those things that happen here till next time. With that said, of course, I still want to put a video out for you guys. We try to do it every Thursday, so this is going to be my promise to you that we will do one today as well. As some of you guys know, I sold the Volkswagen California. This is the aftermath. So it's not van life anymore. It's bike life. This is what it looks like. I'm also selling a lot of my hiking gear. Not going to give that up. Quite the contrary, actually. We're going to take it up a notch and focus more on that and the adventures and the learnings that we've done so far, and just try to take everything to the next level when it comes to reviews and adventures and all of those things. Of course, I also wanted to celebrate that we reached 3,000 subscribers just a couple of days ago. So thank you all who's watching this, and thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. Love your feedback, love your comments and your inspiration. It's also really cool to hear that some of you guys go out and you buy the things that I recommend and the things that I talk about. That means the world to me as well, because I obviously invested in those things too. Now we're looking at buying new things for the coming year and the coming adventures, and of course coming reviews as well. It's time to talk about some new things. My journey so far with YouTube has been up and down a little bit. You work so hard for some videos and things that you want to do, and it's really important to find the balance of normal life as well, and hang out with friends, family, my son, my girlfriend, everything like that, and not just focusing on work and making the next video all the time. That's something that you have to learn. Editing takes a lot of time. Shooting videos takes a lot of time. You want it to be perfect, and it will never be perfect. You just have to improvise and do it the way you can, or to the best of your capability. But I really like where we're going with this, and the community that we've started to make, and the future, I think, looks very good for us. There's so much things that I want to share with you guys, but yeah, stay tuned. There is definitely more adventures and more crazy things coming. And yeah, I can't wait to talk to you guys about that. I'm not trying to leave you guys with a cliffhanger. It's just that, yeah, a lot of things are in the making as we speak, so I can't really talk about it yet until it's done. I don't want to say something and then something else will happen. Right, let's continue on down. Panic.
Cut.
Let's just leave that in there. I get a lot of questions from you guys about what gear I use, what camera gear, and the things we do behind the scenes. So we're going to talk about all those things in the future too. We're going to do a little bit like what's in my camera bag types of videos, just to show you guys what you will need to do or what you actually will not need to do. I know jack shit about bicycles, but when I bought this, I told the guy I bought it from just to fix it up at the way he has his bike configured. So this is a fixed gear, single speed, or as many of you guys know, it's suicide, because there is, yeah, I have the front brake here, but when the wheels are turning, the pedals, yeah, they are rolling as well. That's suicidal.
Everybody make some room. Everything on the body going boom, boom, boom. Show how I work your body like an exercise. We can do that thing till the morning light. I really wanna follow your hands in the air, let the music hit. Show how I work your body like an exercise. We can do that thing till the morning light. Oh, morning light, morning light, morning light.
All right, guys, it's time to wrap it up for this time. I got to get it done. It's now 3 o'clock. I want to get this done by around 8. So, yeah, see you guys at 8. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again next Thursday. I'll see you guys again.